Hello, today we're looking at the cosine rule, another part of trigonometry that we use when the triangles involved are not right angled. And we're focusing today on the cosine rule, and the cosine rule is used in two ways. We can either find the length of a side, and we use it if we know the other two sides and the opposite angle, or we can use it to find the size of an angle if we know the lengths of the three sides. Okay, that's the two methods there. The first formula is this one. This is used to find the length of a side A. And the second formula, just by rearranging the first one, we can get the cosine of an angle if we know the three sides of the triangle. So let's dive into an example. This one here, this is where we're going to try and find the length of the side marked X, and I've written the formula down for it here. So basically in this situation that will be our side B and that will be our side C. Now the thing we have to remember is that we must get this side naming correct. The angle is called big A, the side opposite is small a. Or in this case it's x. So we're looking for x squared, and it's going to be equal to b squared, which is 3, plus c squared, which is 5, minus 2 times 3 times 5 times the cos of 64. Okay, and when you just fire that into your calculator, you get a value of x equals 4.6. Okay? And now the thing to watch out for here is this initial line is x squared. So the most common mistake that people tend to make is they forget to take the square root when they come down to do this final calculation here. If you remember to do that and you get the names of the sides correct, you should find that a very straightforward exercise indeed. And the other version of the cosine rule is to find the length of the size of an angle if you know the three sides. Okay, so we're looking for this angle theta, and now what's important is that theta, if that's that, it has to be the A part. So that's going to be my side A, and the other two are going to be B and C. It doesn't matter which way round they are. It's very important that we get the correct side, because we're not just shoving them in, it does matter. So, the cos of theta is going to be equal to b squared, which is 2 squared, plus 4 squared, minus 3 squared, over 2 times 2 times 4. And I would advocate doing the whole lot in your calculator in one go with appropriate brackets, and you should get an answer of theta of 46.6 degrees. So there you go. The actual calculations for the cosine rule are nice and easy, but you must make sure you get the names of the sides and the names of the angles matching correctly, otherwise it will all fall apart. And that's the cosine rule.